Everyday normal motherfucker.
My favorite movies as a kid were Superman and Ghostbusters.
I'm just a regular, everyday normal motherfucker.
I have a hard time opening my eyes underwater.
I'm just a regular, everyday normal motherfucker.
And I'm not a huge Nicolas Cage fan. I'm from a lower middle class family. Me and my brothers and sisters played hide and seek. I have good memories from my childhood, bitch. My favorite toy was my fucking fire truck, bitch. I used to play with that motherfucker all day long until I learned about sex from the Sears catalog. And then I played with my motherfucker all day long. About 10 times a day, man, all year long. My favorite song, motherfucker, I don't like to admit it, is a Celine Dion song from the movie Titanic.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Every time I hear that fucking shit, a tear comes to my eye. Why the fuck did Leonardo DiCaprio have to die? No, I'm not afraid to say that I'm a sensitive guy. Sticks and stones break my bones, but it's the words that make me cry. Like that time in grade 3 when a girl called me stupid face. She really hurt me. Why'd she call me stupid face? Is my face stupid? How's that even possible? A person can be stupid, but a face, that's impossible. Shit happens all the time and you learn how to deal with it. Regular, everyday, normal fucking bullshit.
I'm just a regular, everyday normal motherfucker.
When I get into a fight, I usually leave on a stretcher.
I'm just a regular, everyday normal motherfucker.
When I got nothing to say, I usually talk about the weather.
I'm just a regular, everyday normal motherfucker.
I like the first Back to the Future, but the second one was better.
I'm just a regular, everyday normal motherfucker.
I like red peppers better than the green ones.
Ooh, saving up my money to go buy a new dishwasher. Mine broke about 6 months ago.